Today's recipe is request from my son. It's his birthday and he loves paneer. Anything paneer, absolutely his favorite. And he absolutely loves jalfrezi. So I'm gonna kind of do a new take on jalfrezi, which is super delicious and obviously, like all my recipes, very easy to make. So I'm gonna make egg fried paneer jalfrezi. So let's get cooking. And before I start cooking, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment below. To start with, I'm going to thinly slice an onion, a red pepper, and some lovely looking spring onions. So I'm just going to chop this up first. If you don't have spring onions, then you can obviously just use another plain onion instead of a spring onion. But I love the flavor of spring onions. So we have a hot pan and a good 4 to 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now I'm going to add the onions and spring onion, just the white part. And continue to cook this on high heat. We just want to get a bit of color on this, very lightly. And while these onions are cooking, I'm just going to finely chop 2 more onions. Now you can see that it's softened up nicely. It's been 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add the red pepper and cook for another 2 minutes on high heat. Right, so once it is nice and soft, I'm going to take it off in a sieve so that I can get rid of all the extra oil. And then I can use the same pan to make the rest of the dish. So in a bowl, I'm just going to crack open 2 eggs and make a nice kind of mixture to dip the paneer in. And to this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, also a teaspoon of harissa paste. If you don't have harissa paste, just use any chili paste you have at home and then just mix this together. I'm going to use a total of 450 grams of paneer, which is 2 packs. And obviously I'm using ready-made. You can make your own at home, just cutting it into thin strips. The one I use is really nice and soft. You can find all sorts of varieties, but I find this one really good. A lot of the varieties are quite chewy and rubbery. So either, make it at home, which is obviously the best, but I always have ready blocks in the fridge. So in the same pan, I'm just adding a little bit more oil to fry our paneer. So I'm going to get the paneer, dip it in the egg, and then go straight into the hot oil. So I have to do it quite quickly. So you cook this on quite high heat because it's just eggs, so it cooks really quickly. And this is a great snack as well, so I better not eat any because there won't be any left for the dish. So just get them out on some kitchen roll to absorb the extra oil. And this paneer in itself, if you want, you can cut them in cubes instead of rectangles, and it's a really delicious snack. So I'm going to leave this aside because if you start eating it, it's really difficult to stop at once. So if you're looking for a really nice, lovely snack, it's delicious. So nice. Light, fresh egg, paneer. What's not to like? So the paneer is done. And obviously we did the onions and peppers before this. And I am just using the same pan again and again without washing it. So yeah, I'm trying to create less work for myself and keeping it quite simple. So in the same pan, I've got the paneer out, and now I can start preparing the actual base of this dish. So that's the paneer cooked, and that's the onions and peppers sitting on a sieve, getting rid of extra oil. And then here I'm going to again turn this on and then start with the curry. Once again, a little bit of oil, and then goes in the 2 finely chopped up onions. Cooking in the same pan will also make this absorb all the extra flavor from the cooking of eggs and the paneer and the pepper. So that will be quite nice. We'll give it 6 to 8 minutes. And while this is cooking, I am going to finely chop up some garlic, an inch of ginger and some chili. Now this is looking nice and golden. I'm just going to add the ginger, garlic and green chili. Just cook for another minute or so. And next goes in a tin of chopped tomatoes. And if you want to use fresh, then just add 4 chopped tomatoes to this. Now I'm going to cover and cook this on low heat for 10 minutes. So reduce the heat and cook. So it's been 10 minutes. This is looking wonderful. So I'm going to add in the leftover greens of the spring onions. Mix it up and now add the spices. So I want this quite dry, so don't add any water to this. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, a couple of tablespoons of ketchup. Give it a good mix. Now we add in the onions and peppers. Look at that. How beautiful that looks. Gorgeous. And now the fried paneer. And then all that's left to do, wow, is mix this up. And just heat this through for a couple of minutes. And that smells incredible. And I would recommend the best way to serve it is with some lachha paratha or some naan or some roti. And obviously you can find all those recipes on the channel. Make them. There are quicker versions as well, like literally 5-10 minutes naan or flatbreads. And just try it with some of those Indian flatbreads. And I would say avoid rice with it. It'll still taste good, but you'll get the best flavor out of it with some flatbreads. Oh. That's delicious. There's a crunch from the stir-fried pepper and onions. The paneer in itself is delicious with the egg coating, and that masala with the spring onions, a bit of ketchup, a bit of harissa, a bit of garam masala. It's absolutely delicious. I really hope you're going to try this. Don't forget to subscribe because I share new recipes every week, and I'll see you back here for another one very soon. Bye for now.